Hi, you guys. Today we're gonna make a jelly cube slime. I have my stuff right here with me. Fix the camera. I have this stuff right here. There's the activator
And the gallon of glue.
and a bowl and a spoon. I already cut my stuff. It's like uneven. So yeah, this. Close the door. We're gonna cut it. Safeties first, though. So it's gonna take a while. Sorry, you guys.
I'm her friend. Hi.
Yeah, I have a special guest, Cassandra.
She's my bestie.
Yeah, from school.
Yeah. She has my back. I have her back.
Yeah.
I'll pass them to you. This one's so uneven. You guys can tell.
Look, so satisfying. Let me cut one in half like this. Should I make them in smaller cubes?
Yeah.
Safety first, kids. Ask an adult or your mom or your dad or sister.
Or if you're older enough, you could do it.
Yeah. I'm gonna cut these in like this. This is like way easier.
I'm gonna say what you're gonna do with the gallons of glue, and I'm gonna see if I could have
Did
one.
you use a glue?
Yeah.
I wonder if she noticed. She said at the end of the year, they're gonna make slime. Not the dance team, like other kids, like the special kids.
Oh.
It's taking forever.
If you go get another knife, I could help you. Like.
Yep. Go.
Okay, I'll be right back.
Ooh, that's so sad. Look. Stop that. Look.
Remember, kids, don't run with knives, okay? Because you could get hurt.
It's like cutting stuff. Huh? Like wings. Comment down below if you like
Hot wings?
huh?
Hot wings?
No. If you like
Anime.
yeah. And if you like salchichas. Salchichas are in Spanish like weenies. Weenies.
The hot dogs.
Comment down below if you like them microwave and microwave with ketchup. So good. Well, actually, I'm gonna leave these out. Just put them over here. It's a lot of cubes just for one.
You're gonna add your glue.
I only have like a little bit of glue, so I have my glue. Should we food color it?
Yeah.
You want to get food color?
Sure. Where is it?
In a fresh drawer?
Or it should be white so it could look like ice cubes.
Oh yeah, I definitely want this down. So
Is that the blur?
Yeah.
Mm.
So I get a Bix.
Just to let you guys know she's sick.
Yeah. I told them that in my first video. No, actually, I did not tell them in my first video.
I'll add more activator if you need.
Yeah. Go.
I use Tide as my activator.
I don't like Tide because it makes it blue.
My Tide doesn't make it blue. Because I add a lot and then it doesn't even make it blue. I had this green activator, and every time I would add my food coloring, it would make it green and it would look ugly.
That's what I hate about Tides. You should get the Tide clear, like the Tide white.
Yeah, don't get the Tide that's blue, but get it the one that's clear because it
Not like white, like not clear.
like this.
Like this white. It's like a white Tide.
Like the glue,
Yeah.
and it will be better.
Look. This one.
I also make slime on my channel.
Yeah, good channel. Well, comment down below. Subscribe to her channel. What's your name?
Cassie Hernandez. I make slime videos.
Cassie Hernandez. Comment down below. I mean,
Go search it up and subscribe. I make slime videos. I once made one in the morning. I was gonna make 2 different slimes. I made regular fluffy slime and Play-Doh slime, but the Play-Doh slime didn't work, so don't try that one. You had to use Play-Doh and lotion, and I didn't. No, it was no body lotion.
I had to use Magic Model Clay.
I know, but I'm gonna also make a video. I'm gonna get Magic
Magic Model Clay.
Yeah, and you're gonna put it in a cup.
Or that's super soft clay.
Yeah, put it in a plate and then
Cass, look, I already added the things in.
oh my gosh. And then you're going to put water in it and then leave it alone like for 20 minutes and then or like 20 or 30. And then you're gonna bring it back and then you're gonna play with it and it's
Yeah,
gonna
I'm gonna
really
go
soft.
back. Like here.
You need help? I'll break them.
I almost got slimes down here.
We should go live.
We are in the middle. I'll put it. Yeah. This is gonna suck. Like. It's so crunchy.
Comment down below if you have bought like mixers, if you reuse them. I reuse mine.
I'm not gonna activate it no more. It's kind of sticky. Look.
It made it a little hard with the little cubes.
Yeah.
Did you know if your slime melted and you have it all over your finger, add ice and it'll start activating?
Or just add activator.
Yeah. Because she had it as a slime outside that melted. And those are very pretty slime. And
With Hatchimals.
yeah, and it melted. So and then I had it all over my finger. She got an ice cube and it came into slime.
Look. Fun review. Just look at this cube. Wait, hold up.
When you make the slime, it will be hard, but it will still be slime.
Yes.
Smells kind of good.
I can't smell anything because I'm sick.
Well, when you get better, it'll smell good. It smells good. It smells like glue. If you add scent, it will smell.
I had blueberry scent, but I left it at my cousin's house.
So yeah, that's the slime. Make sure you subscribe.
Comment down below, turn on the notification bells, and comment down below. I said that again. Okay, yeah. Sorry if this is a bad lighting. Yeah, I'm sorry.
But we'll see you guys next time. Bye!